Hello teachers, today we are going to see how to upload assignment, PDF files or videos and its links on Campus Care. So first of all you log into your Campus Care portal with your username and password. Then you will get a staff dashboard and then you click on application. After clicking on application, you will get this orange color uh, strip where we can have a school online module. Then you start school online module. Then you will get multiple options here. Out of this, the options like assignment subject. This is the first step you have to do, but this is one time step in the beginning of the session where we have to create our own subject. Suppose your subjects are here in the list, so don't create the subject. But if your subject is new and it is not in the list, you have to create that subject. Okay, just click on a create assignment subject and then you write down the name of the subject and click on create. It will create the subject. So almost most of the subjects are here, but if your subject is not there, you do this first step. Then you will go to, this is the assignment subject test step. Then step number 2 is subject teacher assigner. So we'll go to subject teacher assigner where we have to select the class. For example, I am handling 12th standard, suppose here. So I will select 12th standard and you have to select the section. So I will select section A, and after some time you will get the 12th A, what are the subjects, whatever the subject and the teacher's name in front of that. And suppose you want your name to be added in front of that subject, what you have to do, first you go down, click on edit, and suppose I am taking uh, informatics practices. So I will go to search teacher box, text box, and there I will select type my name. First few letters you type, 4 or 5 letters, you will get your name here. But this is the only way you can assign the name to the subject. Don't type your name in the next box. So 16 number is informatics practices, and I have searched my name and I have selected the name, and that name automatically comes here. So here this step is very important. You should not type here. You have to search and then you have to select the name. Then only it will properly link. Then you have to click on a save button so that your name is registered with link with that particular subject. Then we will go to the next third step. First one we have done assignment subject, second one subject teacher assigner, and the third one step is assignment subject permission. Now in the assignment subject permission you have to write down your username. My username is VR Solanki, so I am writing the first 4 letters, so it comes here. Your username may be your name dot surname, so you write down for few letters, and then you have to select a particular class. Like I am having some other permissions as well, like circulars to be sent, but just for example, for 12th standard 12th B, here I will go to edit, and here for 12th B I want to assign a subject, one more subject apart from this circular. So what I have to do, in the box you click, you will get the list, and in the step 1 whatever the subjects you have created, that subject list will come here. Suppose I will take here computer science, so I just click on that. Okay, so what will happen, you see serial number 78, 12th B, I have assigned computer, so the full name will not come, but we have selected. So again here don't type, you have to select. So computer science, and I am having the permission for the circular. So similarly you can select whatever the classes and what are the subjects you are teaching. In front of that you have to select your subject and then click on save button. And once you will get a saved successfully message there, that means your subject is linked to that particular class and the section. Okay, so we'll go for the next step. Now these are the three steps whatever I have discussed here. These are one time step, means in the beginning of the session only you have to do, like assignment subject one, assignment subject is the first step, second step subject teacher assigner, and the third one is assignment subject permission. Now we are going to do whatever the daily assignments we are uploading, that for that you have to do the assignment, means fourth step, and this we are doing daily. So first three steps are just for setting our class and the subject. The last step is doing, we have to do daily, suppose whenever we are uploading the assignment. Now here you will get this option. Now very first you have to go to the new, press new button, and then in assignment type you have to select homework. There are other types also, activity, project and circular, whatever you want to do, but generally for uploading the assignment, study material and the videos, we are using the homework type. Then you have to select the student. Don't forget to select the student. Don't select employee. Here you have to select student, because your target is means you have to send this to the students only. Then you type down the homework title. For example, this is my chapter number 1. So I will type here chapter 1. Then in the description you can type down whatever the instruction related to that particular assignment, like solve this and solve this, and write down this in the notebook or whatever you want to do. So that description you can write down. Or you can write down, kindly download the video first and then watch carefully, and then solve the assignment, like that. Detailed description you can write down. The date automatically comes here, so don't change that date. And then you have to select the class to which that assignment. Suppose you are teaching for multiple sections, so you have to select multiple sections and the class. Suppose I want to send it to only 12th A, sorry, 8th A. So I will select here 8th A. Then if it is a select optional subject, you have to click on a display button, and in display button if you click, it will take some time. You will get the list of your class students. So like I have selected 8th A, so it should display 8th A students. Again I will try once. But if you are having a entire class, so no need to click on display button. The assignment will go to the entire class. But if you are having optional subject, selected student, then you have to click on a display button, so that you can select the selected student. Okay, so here down I will get the list of entire all the students. So if suppose I am having these students, so I can tick mark the students from my class. But if you want to send it to everybody, press and hold it and click on select. But if you don't click on display button and just tick uh, 8th A or one class, so it will go to the entire class. Then you have to select the subject. So like for example, my subject is computer science, so whatever we have assigned, that only it will come here. Then video link, while uploading on a Google Drive or YouTube channel, you can copy a link of sharing. That link you have to type. Here is no option to copy and paste, so but it is difficult task to type the entire list. So we are using one method like making a PDF file, in which in that link we are pasting. Okay, so I have created a link in which a PDF file is pasted. So I will go to that particular place. You can have a proper class wise folder so that your files you will get immediately. Okay, so my file name is class 8 computer science video 1 link, so dot pdf. So it consists of a link, so that link, when the user will click, it will download that video. And along with the video, I recommend, and it is good practice to share the study material as well, or the notes, short notes, or the, because students may not have the books with them, so in that case they can read the content of the which is not possible in the video, by their speed. Okay, and it can be record for them also. And you can have assignments exercise in that, you can include. So I am having one class 8 computer science assignment PDF as well. So I have uploaded two things. One is a video link, and the other one is our assignment. That way you can one more file you can add in it. And then the next one is save button. So one more time, you see account type, that is homework you have to select. Then user type, important, student. Then you write down the chapter title, description, date automatically comes, select the class. And if you want selected student, then only you click on display, otherwise it will take an entire class. Then subject you select computer science. Video link, if you want to type, you type, or choose different PDF files from here. It also allows you to select, attach a JPG file. So but all these files are having, means it should be a smaller size files. So PDF files are a smaller size. So you can select this, and then you just click on save button and wait for that file get uploaded to that particular class. So you will get option here, save successfully. So wait for some time here. Okay, I got here save successfully, and on the student portal it will be shown. But if you want to verify that whether it is saved properly or not, one thing you can do, what you have to do, go down. Okay, go down here, and you click on a new button, and uh, after some time you will see the previously uploaded assignments in the campus care. All teachers assignment you will get here, that list will come here. You have to wait for some time.